Hi, welcome to the fifth part of the Spur gear housing in SolidWorks 2024. First I have to correct that cut here because I did it wrong in all those programs. So let's check it out. That should be this cut here, yes. Edit it and change the value from 7 to 6 millimeter and confirm. Next step, I want to delete that fillet here, this one, so let's delete it. Yes. Now I want to hide some of those bodies. That's the one I could just hide these here. And the intersects, yes, and that one, that's, I think that boss extrude hide this one as well. Now let's make a union, so go for combine, add, yes, I want to combine those two, confirm. Now go for the fillets. Let's start with 10 millimeter. Yes, on this edge, not the face, but the edge here. This edge, that edge. This one here, and that one. Confirm. Next, 5 millimeter on this edge and on the other side that edge here. Confirm. And then 5 millimeter on this edge all around, yes, and that edge here as well. Looks good, and confirm. Next fillet will be 1.5 millimeter on this edge here. And on the other side, of course, you could do those fillets with the complete housing, so just unite all those solids and then do the fillets. But I want to do it like this to show you a different way. And okay, confirm. Nice. Now I need another solid that should be a boss extrude. That's this one, yes, so make it visible. And I can do those fillets before the union. So go for fillet, 5 millimeter on those 4 edges. Okay, confirm. Then combine those, so add this one and that one. And confirm. And now maybe hide those planes. Okay, I need 0.7. Oh, there's still one here, so hide this one as well. Okay, so let's go for 0.7 fillets. Fillet 0.7, yes, and you have to do it in a certain way, otherwise it will not work. First do this one and that one, confirm, and then this one and that one, confirm. Now go for this edge and that edge, confirm, and then go all around here. Yes. Now on the other side, same procedure. Go for fillet, select the top edges, confirm, and then the lower ones. And just maybe rotate it, confirm, and then go for those two, confirm, and the last one up here like that, and confirm. Great. Now I want to add a 3mm fillet. Hopefully it will work. On this edge all around. Nice. Okay, so maybe I need that extrude. Yeah, let's go for this one. Make it visible. Go for fillets of 20mm radius on this edge, that edge, this one, and of course that one. Confirm. Then go for 3mm on the top one and the bottom one, and confirm. Nice. Now let's hide those two and bring back this one here. Go for 10mm fillets on the top edge and the lower one. Confirm. Now bring this boss extrude. Yes. Maybe hide that one. Go for 5mm fillets. On those four edges. Confirm, and then go for 1.5mm on this edge, and of course that one. Confirm. Bring back this solid, combine them, so combine this one and that one. Confirm. No, that's not what I've intended. I wanted to deactivate that filter. Now another 1.5mm fillet. Yes, on this edge, that one here, this one, that one, this one. Okay, and the last one. That one. Let's confirm. Great. Now bring back this one here and maybe that one. And I could hide this one, at least for the moment. Let's combine those two. This one and that one. Confirm and go for a 5mm fillet on this edge here and that one over there. Confirm. Great. Now bring back on this fillet. Yep. combine them. So this one and that one. Confirm. And go for 5mm fillet. Yes, on this edge. And that one. Confirm. Great. Now for those ribs, let's hide this one and show those. Great. Okay. So go for fillet 1mm on this edge and that edge. Confirm. Do it in separate fillets because these are different solids. Confirm. On those two edges, confirm. Again, those two edges, confirm. And this one and that one, confirm. And this one and that one, no, not the face, but the edge. That's more like it. Okay. Bring back that one and now combine those solids. So just select, yeah, so maybe go here and select the solids here, so go select them all, confirm. What's left to do? The 1mm fillets with the ribs. So go for fillet 1mm, yes, that's okay. On this edge, that one, this one, 4, 5, 6. Maybe add them here at the same time if possible. Like that. Confirm. And then on the other side, same procedure. Another 1mm fillet on those edges here. And the last one, and confirm. And I'm done for today. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like and leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like and leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Instagram, Facebook, X, and especially on LinkedIn or LinkedIn Learning. So thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.